Okay guys, I currently have this tablet. The problem of this tablet is the charging port, but let me show you how to be sure that it's a charging port. You get this multimeter, then you plug it to your charger. This is the charger and this is it. The multimeter is on, so now you now put it in the charging port to confirm. If you can see this really clear, you'll see that it's not charging, but immediately I just take it up, you find out that it's reading and it's on. You can see, so the charging port is the problem. You can see it's reading, it's about to start charging, so the charging port is the issue. So stay tuned as I show you how to work on this charging port issue.